Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk all about calla lilies. Now, calla lilies are one of the most traditional flowers that you can have in your garden. And when people think about calla lilies, they generally think about the large white aethiopica calla lilies. And they don't really think about the short colored calla lilies that are very different from the large white ones. So let's talk about a little bit about the difference in the growing conditions. The large white calla lilies really like a little bit of shade. They don't generally do well in hot sun. Especially if you live in a warmer climate, a lot of times they'll get sunburnt. And they bloom about Mother's Day. So they'll always bloom May, June, July. And they have big white flowers on them that are gorgeous. And there are the aethiopica. They can handle wet conditions and shade. And there's also a calla called green goddess, which is related to the large white ones. It gets just huge with green variegated flowers. They're just gorgeous and one of my favorite in the whole world. And they can handle shade and moist conditions as well. They're aethiopica family. Whereas if you find the calla lilies that are shorter, have spotted leaves, that are the zantedeschias, really need full hot sun, and they never want to sit in water if you live in a climate that's milder. If you live in a hotter climate, you can get away with part shade, but really in the northwest or climates that are a little bit cooler, they need that full hot sun to do really well, and good drainage. They'll rot right out in water. So the white and the green ones can handle water gardens, but the colored ones, they've got to be in a dry, really good drainage area and full hot sun. And you can plant the bulbs pretty much any time of the year. If you live in a really cold climate, the callas won't winter over. They can only go down to about 10 degrees. Whereas I found the colored callas are just as hardy as the white and green callas as long as you give them sun and really good drainage. And they will come up and bloom in the summertime. So the colored ones bloom in the summertime, where the green ones will bloom sporadically year-round, and the white ones will bloom about Mother's Day in May, June every year. But any way that you grow them, calla lilies are a great addition to your garden.